In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix something went wrong error on Google Play Store. If you're trying to use your Google Play Store and you're getting this error, something went wrong, try again, and you can't get around it, then there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix your Google Play Store app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So in most cases, if you are seeing this error, most likely it's because your Play Store app has experienced a glitch, or there's a problem with your phone, or even Google Play Store app has experienced an internal error. In any of these cases, let me show you how you can fix this. We want to start by troubleshooting Google Play Store app. To do this, just go to your phone and look for settings option and then scroll down to apps. Now here, look for manage apps or all apps. This will list all the apps you have on your phone. From the list, search for Play Store and hit is, tap on it to open. First, you want to go to Force Stop App and OK. This will stop any background activities that might be causing this issue. Then go to Clear Data and Clear Cache and finally OK. Once you are done, now restart your smartphone. And now if you go to your Google Play Store and try to open it, now it should be working without any issue. But at this point, should you still experience any challenge, then you want to check and see that you are not using any VPN or any recently installed security app on your phone. This might be the reason you are experiencing this. You'll have to uninstall them to fix this issue. However, if this does not fix your problem, then most likely Google Play Store has experienced internal server error. For that, you need to wait and try again after some few minutes. Now, if you go back to Google Play Store, everything should be up and running. Now you should be able to search for your apps and install them without any issue. So let me know which of this was able to fix your problem. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.